In this video, we are going to learn how we can customize font in Excel. We have built our Excel worksheet and we have given name to our worksheet is monthly budget. Now let's start to make it more presentable. We will do some formatting to make it more presentable. This section is all about formatting data in Excel worksheet. Right now it is just plain, very basic. It is just black and white text. So first thing that we are formatting is font. We will change font style, font size, font color and so on. So first we will format our title, monthly budget. To format monthly budget, first we will click to A1 cell like this. Then click to home tab over here and in that go to font section area over here. Here we got all sort of commands, all sort of features. First we will change font style. By default font style is Calibri over here. In that click to down arrow like this. The moment we click to down arrow, list of font style option will come. In that we will click to Arial over here. Beside font style there is font size over here. By default it is 11. Click to this down arrow like this. The moment we click to down arrow, list of font size will appear. In that we will select 14 like this. Beside font size there are two capital A. This one. Through first capital A we can increase font size like this. Through second capital A we can decrease font size like this. Below font style there is bold, italic and underline over here. We will click to B because we want to make it bold like this. Beside this bold, italic and underline there is bottom border. This one. It is not used for font formatting, so we will learn it later on. Beside bottom border there is fill color over here. It is also called as background color. It is not used for font formatting, so we will learn it later on. Beside fill color there is font color over here. Here click to down arrow like this. The moment we click to down arrow, list of color option will appear in front of us. Here we see two sections, theme color and standard color over here. This standard color are given by Excel. We can't change this standard color, but we can change theme color. To change theme color, first click to page layout over here. In that go to theme section, which is there in left hand side over here. In that click to themes like this. The moment we click to themes, list of theme will appear in front of us. Here our current theme is office. Now suppose we want to change this theme, then move our cursor to that theme which we want. When we move our cursor like this, see our monthly budget worksheet, its presentation is also changing according to theme. See like this. Now suppose we are selecting Berlin theme, this one like this. After selecting Berlin theme, now click to home tab like this. In that click to font color, this down arrow. Now here theme color is based on Berlin theme. Now suppose we want that same office theme, then first click to page layout like this, then click to theme like this. In that select office theme like this. Now again click to home tab like this, click to font color, this down arrow and select color. Like here we will select this blue color like this. So like this we have customized font of title. Same we can do with others as well. Try this font formatting in your Excel worksheet and I will see you in next video. Take care.